physics lab, you are given a hand generator and an assortment of.
Hand generator. What is the meaning of hand generator? Hand generator means it is producing the current.
Yes, sir. By the physical
It
work,
is producing the current
by the mechanical work.
by the physical work. This is the physical work you are doing. And then you are having different value of resistance here. Correct na?
You connect the
Different value of resistance you can connect here with this end. Correct na? This will. This wire and this wire. Correct? When the current will flow, the resistance will consume the energy or not?
yes, sir.
When the resistance flow through, when the current flow through the resistance, current will
It
consume.
will get consumed.
Correct? And the power produced by this resistance P is equal to I square
R. Yes,
R.
sir.
Means less resistance, more current, more power. Less resistance.
Less resistance, more current, more power.
Why? Because I value is increased. Am I right or not?
Yes, sir. So then I will read further.
Hmm.
You connect the leads of the generator across wire in turn, and in each case
Huh.
attempt to turn the generator handle at the same constant rate.
Same constant rate. Correct na? Same constant rate you are
Rotating this one.
connecting. Correct.
You
You
find
find.
that you must push harder on the handle when the leads of the generator are connected.
Yes, highest resistant or lowest resistant, because here power is more power has to be produced. So when low resistance is there,
We have to
you
push
have
harder.
to push harder.
Yes, sir.
Why? Because we are not decreasing the speed. So this is the this one.
Yes,
Correct?
sir. This is because turning the handle at a given constant rate produces a constant output of electrical power,
Yeah.
regardless of what is connected to the leads. Yes, sir. So when turning the handle at a constant rate, you must push harder in cases where there is a greater current through the connected wire.
Yes. Greater current connected through the wire.
Yes, sir.
Correct na? Voltage will be same.
Hmm.
Greater. So when turning the handle at constant rate, you must push harder. In case where there
Lower
is
resistance.
a greater current
Lower resistance, so
through
greater
the
current.
greater current, less resistance, more power.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear? Okay. Hmm.
Is V is equal to 6I cap plus 2J cap minus 2K cap.
V is equal to 6I plus 2J minus 2K. Velocity.
Yes, sir.
Yes. The component of the velocity parallel to the vector.
A is equal to I plus J plus K in vector form is.
Yes. Means this velocity you have to take the component of the velocity parallel to the vector A. Suppose this is the vector V. This is the vector A. Then how you will take the V cos theta? This is the theta na? So parallel vector should be this one component. It will be V cos theta. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
If you multiply A, mod of A, and divide mod of A, what it becomes? Please
V
tell
dot
me.
A by mod of A.
Yes. V dot A by
Mod of
mod
A.
of A. V
Right.
dot A is equal to, you have to calculate separately. A is I plus J plus K. So
I
V
plus
dot
J.
A is
Yes, sir.
V
V
dot
dot A
A.
is 6 plus 2 minus 2. Told you.
Yes. 6 plus,
2 minus 2.
yeah.
Mod of A is equal to root 3. So 6 by root 3 or 2 root 3 is the component of velocity parallel to A.
A parallel to A. Is it clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Sorry.
Sir, 6 by root 3.
6 by root 3.
Yes, sir.
Answer. Then,
Sir, this is not. Sir, it will be 2 root 3 then for
yes, 2
simplification.
can write the 2 root 3.
Yes, sir.
You can write the answer this way or 2 root 3. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
But they are telling in the form of vector you have to write. In the vector form.
Yes,
So
sir.
what we will do? First it is the magnitude of the component. Now if you knows unit vector along A, unit vector along A, very, see here little tricks are there. Unit vector along
A.
A. What is the unit vector along A?
A cap.
Vector A divided by mod of A.
A. A. Yes.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir. I
I
plus
plus
j plus
J
k
plus
divided by root 3.
root 3. And this is unit vector. It can be multiplied by anything. It becomes a vector of that magnitude. So what we have to magnitude of this you have to multiply because we got the component magnitude. This is the magnitude of the component. Magnitude of
The component. Component parallel to velocity.
yeah. So what we will do? We will multiply this one for getting the answer. So component vector C is equal to
2 root 3 into I plus j plus k by
2
root 3.
root 3 divide by root 3 into I plus j plus k. Root 3
2i
root
plus
3
2j plus 2k.
2I plus 2j plus 2k. Answer.